Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change the background color in Krita. Just to be clear, there are two background colors you might want to change. The canvas background color that fills the image behind your art, and the workspace border or background color around the canvas. To change the canvas background color, unlock your background layer first in the Layers docker by clicking on the padlock icon and select it. Then activate your fill tool and choose the color you want as a background from your color selector. Finally, use the fill tool on your background layer. If you meant the dark gray area around the canvas window or the workspace border, you can change that too. Just go to Settings, Configure Krita, Display, Canvas Decorations, then look for Canvas Border Color. Change it to the color you want. This affects the gray border outside your image, not the artwork itself. And that's how you change the background color in Krita. Thanks for watching.